Good morning, good morning, good morning, my loves. Mariela here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returner, you're a real one. I love you, babies. And if you are new here and you like this kind of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. As you can see by the title, today I am doing a what I eat in a day weekend edition. So I am currently at home. It is 10:45 a.m. Saturday, and I'm here chilling, about to make my shake and tea. The reason why I decided to make this video is because I know that some of us fall off track on the weekends, including myself. So I thought that by making this video, I can hold myself accountable. And I prepared for this weekend and everything. We are sticking to the plan, to the meal plan this weekend. No more ups. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make my shake and tea, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I prepared, because you know, when you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So we ain't failing over here, honey. 2021 is all about achieving those goals. So stay tuned, you guys.
I kisses.
You like it?
Yes.
We put in 1 scoop of banana caramel.
I put the banana.
Let's close it.
Close it. I want to close it.
Yeah, and now let's put maple pecan. We're just gonna put 1 scoop of that. Let's put it in there. Oh, throw it in there. Good job. Thank you. Now we put them away. Help me. Alright, you ready? I thought you weren't hungry. So I am now having my delicious fat burning, hair growing, nail growing, cellulite removing, wrinkle removing tea. That's real right there. And in my tea, I just added the Active Fiber Complex, my Herbalife Skin Collagen Beauty Booster, my Herbal Tea Concentrate, and my Cranberry Aloe. And check out this beautiful mug, you guys. If you want to learn more about my weight loss journey with Herbalife, I encourage you to watch my journey video. I will link it down below, and I will also link it on the screen. All right, my loves, so it is now snack time, and I am going to make an awesome sandwich using these bagel skinnies that I got at Aldi's. For one of these bagel skinnies, it's only 110 calories. I'm also going to add some egg whites with spinach and a little bit of cheese, and then I'm gonna add some turkey bacon. The turkey bacon only has 25 calories per slice, so that's why I'm doing this. I'll probably add like 2 slices, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna make as a snack. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so it is finally lunchtime and I am having this awesome lunch. I'm gonna be making a taco salad. I'm gonna be using these mixed greens for the salad. I'm gonna be using a little bit of brown rice that I already meal prepped and some ground turkey that I already meal prepped as well. Then I'm gonna be adding this Mexican style blend of cheese, a little bit of corn, a little bit of sour cream, and some Tostitos salsa. Super simple, super low calorie, but the best important part is it's super delicious. So this is the finished product, a taco salad. Yummy, yummy. And okay, you guys, so I'm getting ready to make my first snack, and I'm going to be making a quesadilla. So I'm going to be using these protein wraps. These are the macros right here. I got them at Aldi's, and then I'm going to be using this Mexican style blend of cheese, also got at Aldi's. And then I meal prepped some chicken. I'll be using some of that, and then I will also be using some buffalo wrap, and I'm going to be making my quesadilla in the air fryer. Super easy, super delicious. if you're the kind of person that it's hard for you to consume water, but you also want to get the benefits of hair growth, nail growth, bettering your skin, reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and reducing the look of cellulite, then I definitely recommend this. And also, if you like to drink juice, then I definitely recommend this. This is basically just, I emptied out a water bottle on here and I added 1 scoop of the Herbalife Skin Collagen Beauty Booster. This is in the strawberry lemonade flavor, and I promise you guys that it tastes just like the Cheesecake Factory strawberry lemonade. It tastes amazing, and you're getting the benefits of drinking your water and the benefits of the collagen beauty booster. So I do definitely recommend this. I also add this to my tea in the mornings. You guys, it is 9:30. The baby is sleeping. I took a shower. I scrubbed my body. I deep moisturized. I did a facial on myself. I removed all my facial hair. I got my t-shirt on, and I got my Herbalife shake with some Prolessa in a wine glass. Cause why not? So yeah, this is my mommy relaxation time. This wraps up the end of this what I eat in a day while on Herbalife. Like I said, I have my Herbalife shake right here. This is my dinner shake. I didn't put it on video because you guys already know how I make it. Super easy. If you enjoy these kind of videos, let me know in the comments below so I can continue making these videos. And now I'm gonna go see 90 Day Fiancé, my favorite show. Bye bye.